Never have I ever checked my partner's or my friend's messages.
अरे
Wow, well done, bro. Well done.
It's for me. I know
Right.
that I've been like, maybe I should check. I've never done it because I feel like there has to be that trust.
Fine,
personally.
okay.
No, there has to be that trust, and I feel like it's a line crossing, and it'll be bad for me also. I feel
Exactly.
like I have checked your phone.
Rehan,
I
you
don't
just
want
have
to
to
do
show this.
Why am I
Is that meme, you know, where you see the video starting and the phone's kept there in the car and the boyfriend's left the room and the car and the girlfriend just flips it over and says, I choose peace. He's
मैं तो खुद का भी फोन चेक करती हूँ ये देखने के लिए कि सामने वाला चेक करेगा तो कुछ ऐसा ना निकल जाए। You think अभी भी जगह है लेकिन
बहुत जगह है,
रियली
बहुत सारी
नहीं जगह है, बहुत जगह है,
बहुत जगह है।
फीवर 104 FM पर मैं हूँ रुचि, आरजे रुचि, रंगीली रुचि। ये है आरजे ग्लेन, बट दैट डज नॉट मैटर बिकॉज असली आरजे तो आप अपने साथ में लेकर के आए हैं, जिन्होंने 8 साल पहले हमें छोड़ दिया था। तो आरजे सीजन 2 एक्चुअली यहाँ पर आना चाहिए। फीवर कॉल सेंटर वाज द शो। 8 साल पहले शी यूज्ड टू सिट राइट हियर इसी स्टूडियो में और अपना शो रिकॉर्ड किया करती थी। प्राजक्ता, बिफोर वी गेट इनटू यू नो द होल कॉन्वर्सेशन अबाउट योर न्यू शो या फिर नॉस्टैल्जिया, I think you should be the RJ और आपको अपने साथ अपनी पूरी टीम को इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए like an RJ.
Oh God, okay. फीवर 104 FM पर आप सुन रहे हैं फीवर कॉल सेंटर मेरे यानी प्राजक्ता के साथ, और आज हमारे साथ नेटफ्लिक्स के मिसमैच सीजन 2 की कास्ट है. So we have संजना सारथी, विहान सामत एंड द नेशंस क्रश रोहित सराफ. कैसे हैं आप लोग?
wow, that's so cool.
What is this behavior, Rohit?
रोहित,
What is this behavior? What is this
You
behavior?
actually won't believe सुबह से कितने लोग आकर के मुझे ना ऐसे सिफारिशें कर रहे हैं, घूस देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि एक पिक्चर निकल जाए आपके साथ में. मतलब ऐसे क्या हमारी देखो हमारी अच्छी हो
आप
गई.
क्या ले रही हैं उनसे पिक्चर देने के लिए?
वो आप जिनके साथ फोटो खिंचाएंगे
जो भी आप ले रही है ना, वो हम दोनों में अगर इक्वल बटेगा तो मैं फोटोज
फोटो
दे दूंगा.
लेकिन मिसमैच में आप ऐसे नहीं है. आपका जो किरदार है, आपका जो कैरेक्टर बड़ा एकदम क्लीन, प्योर एंड पायस है आप.
वो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ रियल लाइफ में.
हाँ, वो क्लियर दिख रहा है यहाँ पर. क्लियर समझ में आ रहा है. गाइस, मैंने सीजन 1 तो सभी लोगों ने देखा, बहुत एंजॉय किया. सीजन 2 में जो फर्स्ट
इंतजार हो
एपिसोड,
गया
हाँ यार,
पहले यार, this is too long.
Before that, I think let's just talk about how we've started promotions for Mismatch Season 2 today. And we started this beautiful day by spilling coffee on Sanjana.
Yes.
हाँ यार, ये
The
what?
two boys,
right, it happened.
the two boys over here
We hung.
were really excited, and we spilled coffee on Sanjana. Great job on her stylist that she got a backup outfit to change it
Thanks,
last
Harini.
minute. But I think Season 2, you very rightly said, you know, it all comes back in like full circle, and it's amazing because people have been saying that, and we have like memes being shared and like reels being shared about the same thing. But yeah, so Season 1, Prajakta threw coffee at me, and you know, I was really mad when that happened because I was not about the fact that she had to throw coffee at me, but the fact that she had to throw coffee those many number of times.
7.
At least 7.
Deliberate.
Right? And I was just like, man, how difficult can it be for you to not...
One second.
One second. So I was just like, why is it so tough, right? And then cut 2-3 years later, we're shooting season 2, and then I have to do it, and I'm just like, Project, I'm so sorry, I was so bad at it. But I think I had a lot of fun doing it. I would have really enjoyed it if I had to use my hand to throw coffee at her, but unfortunately I had to do it very
With a bag.
nonchalantly with the bag. So yeah, that was great fun, and I think I did it in what, 2 takes? 1 take? 2 takes?
3.
Three
One
takes.
take what? 3.
3 takes. But yeah, it was great fun. I really enjoyed it.
Can we just talk about how I'm always next to them while they're doing this
Yeah,
coffee?
bro, I realized your phone is always screwed.
दोनों मैं उधर ही बैठा हूँ.
Collateral
बस आराम से बैठ रहा हूँ.
तुम्हारा फोन हमेशा जाता है ना इस चक्कर में, इनकी कॉफी के चक्कर में.
अच्छा, इससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़े, मुझे लगता है कि एक गेम है जो कि हमें खेलना चाहिए सो दैट हम थोड़ा और मजा करें, जो कि आपको ये देख कर के ही पता चल जाएगा कि हम क्या खेलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Have you ever played this game before?
I have. Yes. Have you?
I have, yeah.
Alright, so some quick fun questions and आपको हमें सही जवाब देना है. रेडियो के माइक की कसम खा के कि आप जो बोलेंगी सच बोलेंगी, सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलेंगी. Tell me, never have I ever had feelings for an ex.
Oh no!
Perfect casting. Finish. Okay. Never have I ever praised a piece of content I've hated.
Oh really?
I think guilty as charged. All of us.
Listen, guys, what the hell is going on?
जिस तरह से रोहित रिएक्ट कर रहा है ना, ऐसा लग रहा है कि किसी का तो इंटरनली ऐसा content मेरा ही होगा.
No, that's not.
Okay.
Alright, this is interesting because इस शो में बहुत दिखाया था फर्स्ट सीजन में ऐसा कोडिंग ऐप बनाना ये वो. Never have I ever written a basic HTML या C++ program. Oh really?
We're so matched. I love it.
Naughty. Okay.
Let's just go to the next one.
mismatched up.
Never have I ever checked my partner's or my friend's messages.
अरे
Wow, well done, bro. Well
No,
done.
it's for me. I know
Right.
that I've been like, maybe I should check. I've never done it because I feel like there has to be that trust.
Fine,
personally.
okay.
No, there has to be that trust, and I feel like it's a line crossing, and it'll be bad for me also. I feel
Exactly.
like I have checked your phone.
Rehan,
I
you
don't
just
want
have
to
to
do that.
show this.
Why am I gonna
He's
extra
that
explanation.
meme, you know, where you see the video starting and the phone's kept there in the car and the boyfriend's left the room and the car and the girlfriend just flips it over and says, "I choose peace." He's that.
मैं तो खुद का भी फोन चेक करती हूँ ये देखने के लिए कि सामने वाला चेक करेगा तो कुछ ऐसा ना निकल जाए.
I mean, I see.
tails.
I check read receipts. I check last online and all that. I check, but their phone I don't.
No, not messages because it can be a different context and you can get.
So he's a stalker but not a creep.
Not a
That's
creep.
nice.
Wow.
Yeah, correct.
ये तरफ वो तरफ कर दी.
Okay. Never have I
No.
never have I ever made a bahana and not gone to the shoot, which was just a bahana.
No.
हम तो जब शूट नहीं होता था तो भी पहुंच जाते थे छुट्टी वाले दिन.
Riyan is still
I'm
thinking.
thinking I've never made bahana. I've showed up.
देखा सीखो कुछ.
मैं क्या सीखूं मैं तो पहुंच
Cribbed
गया.
about showing up, all of us have.
Cribbed about showing up, yeah.
Yeah, mostly about the call
Call
times.
time, yeah, exactly.
अरे यार इतनी सुबह क्यों उठ के जाना पड़ रहा है?
Especially shooting nights and you have to wake up early.
Yeah.
Never have I ever used a cheesy pickup line, and what was it? Of course,
No, I never used
Rohit,
pickup
you
lines.
have to say I
I
have.
think pickup lines have come.
Not that you used on me.
Why like that?
I'm sure, yeah.
I think Rohit receives pickup lines. I don't think he.
No, it's not. So I've not done it. The conversation hasn't started.
But
with
have
the
you
pic-
received one like what she's saying?
Yeah,
Just
right.
I'll help him. I remember when we were doing Mismatch season 1 promotions, everyone kept saying कि अगर तुम्हें जाके किसी लड़की को hello future wife बोलना है तो तुम बोलोगे क्या? तो he very innocently he said कि अरे I'm telling the good thing only यार. He's very innocent. He's very innocent. He's like no, I don't want to like hurt someone ऐसे झूठे वादे करके future wife नहीं बुलाना. I said but I know the comments that I get on my pictures, like people will be like, come no Rohit, break a heart, please call us future wife. It's that.
No, but I'll tell you what. The conversation hasn't started with a pickup line.
Right.
But I have slid in a pickup line or two. A pickup line or two before you reach to conclusions. So that's
Nice revelation, I tell you.
All right, the last one. Never have I ever wanted to be a radio jockey.
I'm too scared.
No. All right,
Well
ladies
done,
and
guys.
gentlemen,
Well done.
that was never have I ever with the team of.
I also feel somewhere, very beautifully, your entry, taking beautiful pictures and starting off. And आप अगर इसको शेकू नहीं बुला सकते तो क्या बुलाएंगे अभी इसको?
It's a good question actually.
हाँ, क्योंकि इन्होंने तो मना ही कर दी वहाँ पे, कहा कि I don't think so. तो आप what do you
But
think?
publicly-
चाची बुला ले.
Oh, कुछ
जीजू.
कुछ ठीक है यहीं पे
मिला. क्यों मिला हमें?
आकाश probably I don't know. आकाश
But honestly,
जिनको समझ में आ गया. No, okay, ठीक है. I don't know.
Because there's a new campaign that's coming up on our radio station, which is called Insta Stars. And now that we have you on the show, who's like the biggest example. Prajakta Kohli, ladies and gentlemen, please tell us कैसे बनते हैं Insta Stars? सब यही जानना चाहते हैं. How? What is what? Mr. Prime Minister, what is what?
you have to be Prajakta Kohli to
Nobody
become a
knows.
star.
Nobody knows. I feel like the good thing about this is कि कोई एक जवाब सही नहीं है.
There's no fixed formula, right?
कोई सही जवाब नहीं है. हर जवाब सही जवाब है.
But then what do you do when there's something that does not work? Because that happens with all of us and we are like, अरे यार, I don't know why is it not working? अच्छा तो होता था, views आते थे.
You can either keep doing it till you kind of find your audience back, or you try something new. That's the beauty of the internet, right? There's no set rule. कि अगर ये नहीं चला कुछ और try कर लो, वो नहीं चला कुछ और try कर लो.
But do you think when you decide on becoming an Insta star or whatever, blogger,
creator.
influencer, creator, you should always have a plan B?
I mean, that was my plan B. So I'll be the wrong person to say because plan A didn't work out for me. But it's a long run.
It's a long, arduous road. You've got to persist long.
It's a long run. Like, it is not something that will kind of happen quickly and stay with you. Even if it happens quickly, it'll go away for a while, I'm pretty sure. So it's a roller coaster ride.
Do you think अभी भी जगह है लेकिन?
बहुत जगह है.
Really?
बहुत सारी
नहीं जगह है.
बहुत जगह है.
नहीं जगह है. बहुत जगह है. बहुत जगह है. नहीं जगह है. बहुत जगह है. एक सवाल का जवाब दीजिए. एक सवाल का जवाब दीजिए. इतना आपने इंटरनेट के बारे में बोला. अच्छा, उस कॉलेज का डाउनलोड स्पीड क्या है?
बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छा है. बहुत अच्छा डाउनलोड स्पीड है.
बहुत अच्छा है.
जिन्होंने बहुत गहराई से देखा है सीजन 1 को, आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये सीढ़ियों पर बैठकर डाउनलोड इतना अच्छा कैसे कर रहे हैं.
तो अभी जाके देखो.
I was watching educational videos actually.
अच्छा.
People have misconstrued it as something else. It's all
हिस्ट्री डिलीट तो नहीं की ना?
नहीं सब साफ.
He's so hardworking when he's watching those educational videos.
Yeah.
He needs tissues to wipe off the sweat. It's beautiful.
On that note, ladies and gentlemen, please watch
और मिया अच्छा काम किया.
teacher.
I know.
You see,
He's calling you Mia. Like, you're right.
No one.
I know, but
चलो भैया,
Different conversation happening.
I think that's about it. But thank you so much for being a part of the show.
Thank you.
Thank you,
for
Rangili
all the
Ruchi.
laughter. It
Thank you,
was
guys.
amazing.
Yeah.
And we wish you all the very best for this season. May we have season 3, 4, and like the internet, have infinite seasons and of your awesome work. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Glenn. Thank
Did
you.
I have fun?
Yeah.